pen will hardly matter. It's just a matter of 10 rupees. Why should I purchase? You will not, because at that time the pen will be worth rupees, maybe worth rupees 100,000 or crores. If it's a matter of appearing in IAS paper and you are going to clear it, that particular pen which you are going to purchase for 10 rupees will be worth crore rupees for you. It means what? When a person spends, when the utility of a particular thing is more than we are spending. Okay, it means you can say the proposed satisfaction which you will be getting from that particular thing is more than the money spent. The satisfaction you are getting is more than the spend, then you will spend them. It means expenses is always done by a rational person. Okay, anybody tell me what is the difference between losses and expenses? Anyone? Losses and expenses में क्या फर्क है? Anyone amongst you? सोचो, think it over.
एक्सपेंस हम अपने किसी नीड के लिए करके उसका गेन लेते हैं, और लॉस जो रहता है उसका कोई गेन नहीं होता।
और
हमारे
yes. Who else? Yes, please.
रिटर्न कुछ भी नहीं है सर, उससे और एक्सपेंसेस।
Anyone else? अब आप वापस रिपीट करो।
एक्सपेंस है वो हमारी नीड के लिए इंटेंशनली हम लोग स्पेंड करते हैं, उसका हमें कुछ गेन होता है, और लॉसेज जो है वो रिकवर नहीं होते।
इसका मतलब एक्सपेंस किया जाता है,
वो अनडिजायर्ड है, लॉस जो है वो अनडिजायर्ड है,
लॉस जो है वो किया नहीं जाता। एक गाना है पुराना, क्या गाना है वो? क्या बात है, गिव हिम अगेन। तो इसी तरह से लॉस किया नहीं जाता, ये हो जाता है। ओके, क्यों? अगर कोई व्यक्ति लॉस करेगा तो फिर वो उसको पागल खाने में बंद करना पड़ेगा। You have to send him to mental asylum, isn't it? Because he is losing himself. He is making loss to others also along with him. Okay, कोई व्यक्ति अपना खुद का ही शीशा तोड़ दे तो फिर उसको कहेंगे यार 12 बज गए इसके, फाइनल वॉच व्हाट्स द टाइम, मेरे बजने वाले हैं 11:35 हो रहे हैं, 11:35 हैं अब, ओवरटाइम कर रहा है नहीं अभी तो अंडर टाइम। सो दिस इज द थिंग, इससे पहले कि टाइम खत्म होने आगे बढ़ता हूँ। Equities are the claims against or interest in the assets of the organization. Just now I have given an example that you have purchased your motorbike on loan. So that loan is a liability against the asset. So whatever loan you have taken is a liability. One more important concept of business is a business entity concept. What business entity concept says that business and businessman both are different. If a businessman has spent something in business, it is a liability of the business towards the businessman, because what the thing is, we have to give accounting entries only on the basis that we are business, not businessman. मेरे मालिक ने लगाया, मैं नहीं पैसा, मेरे मालिक ने मेरे में पैसा लगाया 1 लाख रुपए, तो मैं क्या हूँ? आई एम अ बिजनेस, आई एम नॉट अ बिजनेसमैन। इसका मतलब वो व्यक्ति जिसने मेरे में पैसा लगाया, दैट इज अनदर पर्सन. So it's a liability of the business to give him back. This is what the reason is. Capital is a liability. What is capital? Capital is the money spent by a person in his own business. Capital is money spent by a person in his own business. But being spent in his own business, it is a liability. Why it is a liability? Because it is being spent by another person who is the proprietor of the business. What I am nothing but business. Are you getting my point? Is this point clear to you? नहीं आया समझ में? आगे? Anyone else? Is anybody having doubt? अब हम ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? Why we do this? This is an assumption. If you will not assume like this, you will not be able to assess your correct profits or losses. Are you getting my point? You will not be able to assess your correct profits or losses if you will not do like this. Why? जब चाहोगे पैसा निकाल लोगे, जब चाहोगे डाल दोगे, बच्चों की फीस देनी उसमें से निकाल लिया, मोटरसाइकिल खरीदनी उसमें से निकाल लिया, कहीं और नौकरी कर रहे हैं, सैलरी आया फिर डाल दिया, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू assess your correct profits. प्रॉफिट क्या है? द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू कैपिटल्स. मैंने आज पैसा लगाया 1 लाख, साल भर बाद में देखा 1.5 lakhs. व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट आई हैव गेन? 50,000. How come you have calculated this? You have calculated this by closing capital minus opening capital. It means there is an increase in capital, and that increase in capital is called profit. Getting? So profits are nothing but increase in capital. Okay. Business transaction. Now what is a transaction? Any event which we do in business is called transaction, which is having a monetary value. Okay, HR practices में what happened one day? What happened? There was a fight between the workers, and the whole day the factory was off. Was there any loss?